Next time, don't tell anyone. Next time, don't tell anyone that it's your birthday, so that the people who really loves you and really likes you or remember your birthday will greet you, and you know they are the ones who really care because they remembered it's your birthday. Understand? So what did your classmates say when you said it was your birthday?
Tomorrow.
Mm-mm.
And I forgot what they said.
Next time, don't tell anyone so that no one will expect anything. Okay? What are we gonna? What are you? What did you say kanina about your cake?
Cake. Fudgy bar.
Because why fudgy bar?
Fudgy bar yummy.
Yeah.
Good. Reliable and cheap.
Very light to carry. Yeah, it's gonna be your birthday, and and you just you just need to wait like half a year. You just need to wait for like 1 year, and you just want that. But you need something better.
Give me my bucket, my crystal bucket. What are you gonna say about your papa not sending you money?
And you said he said break you.
I'll say that's still your father, but really, I really don't like what he did. He didn't send child support either.
No, just sue him and let's find a good lawyer.
Very great, man. Thank you.
Hey, tell that to his face when you grow up. Prove him wrong. But when you have your own family, you will provide for your family and you will not be like him. You understand?
Okay.
Okay. Good night.
Is
I'm
that
gonna make up na kasi I have gig pa. Good night. Good night.
Sanji,
I love you. I
you
love you.
have
Happy
parasite.
birthday. Advance happy birthday, kuya. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Okay.
Yeah. Sleep na. Sleep na.